Okay, mathematics in the modern world. So, bakit mathematics in the modern world? So, eto, hindi siya ordinary yung math, katulad ng 1 plus 1 simpleng x and y. So, dito we will discuss more about the patterns of the world, the nature of mathematics, the language of mathematics, and like that. Okay. So, mathematics in the modern world description. So, we have the nature of mathematics, appreciation of its practical, intellectual, and aesthetic dimensions, and application of mathematical tools in daily life. So, pag-aaralan natin ano ba talaga ang gamit ng mathematics sa pang-araw-araw na buhay. So, this is based from CHED Memorandum Order number 20, series of 2013. So the first topic is about the nature of mathematics or the mathematics in our world. So the idea in this chapter is mathematics is a useful way to think about nature and our world. Mathematics in our world, we discuss about mathematics in our world, mathematical language and symbols, problem solving and reasoning. Okay. So the first one is mathematics in our world. So for this lesson, the learning outcome should be we will able to discuss the nature of mathematics, what it is, how it is expressed and represented and also used. Create a collection of patterns in nature and regularities in the world. Differentiate the kinds of sequence and solve for the missing parts of sequence. So, I have here some questions that we need to answer. So, kanina, pinagsagot ko kayo kung ano ba ang mga tanong or mga sagot sa mga tanong na ito. Okay. So, what is mathematics? Number 2, where is mathematics? 3, what is mathematics for? Number 4, what is mathematics about? Number 5, how is mathematics done? Number 6, who uses mathematics? And 7, why is mathematics important to know? So, isa-isahin natin siya. What is mathematics? When you hear the word mathematics, many people think it is the hardest subject that is being taught in school. So, halos lahat kapag narinig ang mathematics, iniisip agad nila mahirap na subject. So, lahat naman tayo, alam natin na math deals with numbers. So, based from research, numbers, as said, is the heart of mathematics. So, kung walang numbers, walang math. Kaya nga tayo ay kapag sinabing numbers, nakakonekta agad siya sa mathematics. So, mathematics comes from the Greek word mathema, meaning science, knowledge, and learning. It is also the building block of all sciences. So, mathematics is a formal system of thought for recognizing, classifying, and exploiting patterns. It involves geometric patterns, wave patterns in water and on land, and fractals. So, connected ang mathematics sa science. Halos magkapatid sila. Okay. So, dito sa math natin, aaralin natin yung iba't ibang patterns na makikita sa ating paligid. So, mathematics is defined as the study of numbers and arithmetic operations. So, sa banda-banda yan, during midterm and finals, magkakaroon tayo ng computations about binary operations, the octal operations, and hexadecimal operations. So, mathematics is also a set of tools or a collection of skills that can be applied to questions of how many or how much. So, hindi lang siya nabibilang sa numbers. Ang math is also about reasoning. So, other viewers view it as science which involves logical reasoning, drawing conclusions from assumed premises, and strategic reasoning based on accepted rules, laws, or probabilities. So, nasan nga ba ang mathematics? So, where is mathematics? So, we see hints or clues of it in nature, in our daily routine, in our world, in people and communities, in events. So, we can see mathematics when we roam around the city, the shapes of different establishments, the streets, the street names, and many more. So, lahat, kahit saan tayo lumingon, makakakita tayo ng clue ng mathematics. So, what is mathematics for? So, mathematics is here to help us unravel the puzzles of nature, or a useful way to think about nature. Organize patterns and regularities as well as irregularities. So, bakit dito sa number 1 natin is laging tinidiscuss ang about nature. Gaya ng ating main topic, this is all about the nature of mathematics. So, we will deal more on patterns in nature. Next, to be able to predict. So, dito yung drawing conclusions doon, para doon ng mathematics. And we also help us to control the weather or epidemics. So, provide tools for calculations. Provides new questions to think about. So, katulad nito, example, Department of Health uses numbers and statistics to determine the number of COVID-19 cases in our country, and that is an example of mathematics. Another, vloggers use number of views and subscribers to know if the channel is doing good, and that is also an example of mathematics. So, kanina, what is mathematics for? Ngayon naman, what is mathematics about? Mathematics is about numbers, symbols, and notations. So, madaming symbols ang math na hindi familiar sa atin. Notations, so these are also called sets. Numbers naman, familiar tayo. Meron ang symbols, yung mga variables, x and y. Operations, equations, and functions. So, dito pumapasok yung PEMDAS. So, kahit anong topic, meron tayong operations. And in this subject, meron din tayong mga operations on binary, octal, and hexadecimal. Next, processes and thingification of processes. So, ito yung kung paano mo isosolve ang isang problem, the step-by-step process of solving a problem na sa iba't ibang paraan. Next, we have proof or story rather than a sequence of statements. So, proving, hanap ka ng more on logical reasoning. And mathematics is all about how you will deal with a situation using numbers and problem-solving skills. So, how is mathematics done? Mathematics is done with curiosity and penchant for seeking patterns and generalities, desire to know the truth, trial and error, and without fear of facing more questions and problems to solve. Kasi di ba may mga problems sa mathematics na nakuha mo na ang sagot pero meron pa rin siyang nakikita ka na paano nakuha ito, saan ang galing ito. So, more on trial and error, pero syempre andito rin dahil logic tayo, we will deal more on logic. So, dito din hahanapin natin ano ba ang totoo. And also seeking patterns, maghahanap tayo ng patterns sa ating paligid. So, sino nga ba ang gumagamit ng mathematics? Who uses mathematics? So, mathematicians. So, lahat ng mathematicians uses mathematics. Scientists. So, halos lahat. Siyempre, sa kanilang mga experiments. Practically everyone. Lahat tayo gumagamit ng mathematics. And different people use different math at different times for different purposes using different tools with different attitudes. So, lahat naman tayo ng tao gumagamit ng mathematics pero sa iba't ibang pagkakataon. So, may mga situation kung bakit gumagamit ng math, may mga ginagamit tayong materials sa pagsosolve ng mathematics. So, mathematics is used by common people and professionals in all fields of specialization. Bakit ginagamit siya ng common people? So, syempre, sa araw-araw natin pamumuhay, we always deal with money and simple arithmetic using money is one use of mathematics. So, we use mathematics when we look at the time every time we wake up in the morning. So, pag umaga, ang una natin ginagawa ay tingnan ng oras. Ano nga bang oras na? And that is an example of mathematics. We use mathematics when we are counting our allowances for the week. We use mathematics in buying online.